Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to auto factory reset if your S25 Ultra is lost and whoever stole it has basically tried to unlock it 20 times or more. So if you really value your data, all your photos, documents, and any apps you have, like the bank app, and you don't want anyone to have access to it, then let me show you how to turn a feature on where it automatically resets the whole phone, so it erases everything and whoever steals it will not be able to get hold of your data. So to do this, you want to go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right. You want to go ahead and scroll down until you see lock screen and AOD. Now here, tap on secure lock settings. Go ahead and unlock it. Now from here, find auto factory reset. So as it reads, after 20 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone, it will be reset to factory default settings and all the data will be erased, including your files and downloaded app. So go ahead and turn this feature on, as this will keep your data safe, as if the thief steals it and after 20 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone, it'll automatically factory reset the phone. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on auto factory reset if your S25 Ultra is lost. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.